Hey everyone, welcome to Shiny's Academy. আমি শাইনি আর এই চ্যানেলে আমরা স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শেখার বিভিন্ন টেকনিক্স নিয়ে কথা বলি। Today's video is about for those beginners who have just started practicing আর প্র্যাকটিস করতে শুরু করলে তখন মনে হচ্ছে আমি কত কিছু পারি না, কথা আটকে যাচ্ছে, কথা বলতে পারছি না, আমি ঠিক করে প্র্যাকটিস করতেই পারছি না। So for them this is something I have to say. One, feel proud that you have finally started. Pat your back for that finally you are breaking the ice and letting yourself speak in English and practice. Even if you are standing in front of the mirror and talking to yourself, be proud of the fact that you are trying so much. And this is a very good thing to do, that you are working on yourself, you are working to build a new skill, you are working to improve your spoken English skills, which itself is a huge thing to do, given that most of us adults, we have so many things going on in life at our time. There are so many responsibilities and duties and struggles we face every day. All of us do. In spite of that, and in spite of managing all that, you are getting some time out for yourself. You are setting aside this only for yourself, and this is something to be very proud of. I am so proud of you all who are doing this, and I am genuinely saying this, that this is not something that anyone can do. No, if you are doing this, you have the special qualities, you have it in you. If you are doing all the tasks every day, you are practicing every day, that means that you are someone who has the strong will to learn something, who has got the dreams to fulfill them, and all these qualities are very good, and these are not something je shobari thake. Not like that. You are special. So be proud of yourself. And when you are getting stuck while you are practicing, know that this is just the beginning. So you know that you are getting stuck only because you are practicing. Unless you practice, you won't even know that where I am going wrong, right? So you are doing it. That's the reason you are finding out these faults and mistakes and whatever you call it. So it's okay, it's normal, and it is something good. That's how you learn. So when you record something, when you practice and record and later on listen to your own recordings, you know that where you are going wrong, and maybe you are noting those down, and you are working on it, you are practicing daily, you are reading, you are giving yourself time, and we all know how busy everyone is. So if you are determined to do this, you will do this. And these which you think are struggles and hindrances to your path of learning, these are not. When you are fumbling, know that this is paving the way for that day when you will speak fluently in proper English. So unless you go through this stage of learning, unless you traverse this journey, you won't be able to reach there. To reach somewhere from somewhere, you have to travel this path. Okay, so this is the path, and I would say enjoy it. Be proud of yourself. Okay, unless you enjoy it, unless you love the process, love the language, you won't be able to learn nicely, right? We are going to love it and we are going to enjoy the process. So let's take it in that way, in a positive light. Give yourself time, let yourself feel free. Okay, don't pressurize yourself, don't feel guilty, don't blame yourself because you didn't do it in the past and like that. No, let yourself feel the love of it. Okay, the way you love others, love yourself, love this process and the language, and this will be an easy journey for you. And be consistent, you will do it. Thank you. Bye.